The Supreme Court considers Louisiana redistricting case that may undermine the Voting Rights Act. On October 15, 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court reconvened for renewed oral arguments in the case of Louisiana versus Calais, consolidated with Robinson versus Calais, a significant case that could potentially reverse a fundamental enforcement mechanism of the Voting Rights Act of 1965, known as the VRA. The focus of the case is Section 2 of the VRA, which forbids voting practices, including redistricting plans, that lead to unequal opportunities for minority groups to elect their preferred candidates, even when there is no explicit discriminatory intent. The controversy in Louisiana revolves around the state's congressional map, which initially designated one majority Black district out of 6, despite Black individuals constituting approximately 1/3 of the state's population. Civil rights organizations contested this map under Section 2, asserting that it weakened Black voting power. A federal court concurred and mandated the establishment of a second majority Black district. In response, the Louisiana legislature enacted a new plan, Senate Bill 8 in 2024, which included 2 majority Black districts. However, white plaintiffs subsequently challenged this map, arguing that it relied too heavily on racial criteria, thereby violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment and potentially the 15th Amendment. A 3-judge federal court halted the implementation of the map, determining that race was the predominant factor in its design. Instead of rendering a decision in June 2025, the court called for re-argument and directed the parties to consider a more fundamental constitutional issue: whether the intentional creation of a second majority minority district, ostensibly in accordance with the VRA, contradicts the 14th or 15th Amendments. Essentially, the court is questioning whether the race-sensitive remedy provided by Section 2 could itself be unconstitutional. Insights gained from the argument. Observers of the proceedings remarked that the conservative justices displayed significant skepticism regarding the continuation of race-based redistricting.